The Betonomete is an explosion-free, safe, and environmentally friendly solution for precise rock and concrete demolition. It creates high expansion pressure, splitting hard rock and concrete, curbing the need for traditional blasting and breakers. Ideal for various industries, the Betonomete reduces noise, saves time, and provides targeted demolition without special licenses. The intricate details and expert craftsmanship in the ceiling work make the room truly stunning and showcase real talent. The beauty of the finished ceiling, with its perfectly executed design, is a testament to the dedication of the craftsmen who have transformed a simple room into an architectural masterpiece that leaves everyone in awe. Decoupling is a versatile formwork, serving various construction needs, from foundations to ribbed slabs and building pit sheeting. Its lightweight design makes Decoupling easy to handle and install, with the option to adapt it on site using basic tools. Decoupling can be obtained in different thicknesses, ensuring flexibility to suit specific project requirements. It is groundwater neutral, recyclable, and available in a transparent version for weather and dust protection screens. Its installation is straightforward, eliminating the time, cost, and effort associated with stripping, cleaning, and returning traditional formwork. The Delta Beam is a complete solution, offering slim floor design, long spans, and integrated fireproofing. Its unique composite design combines steel and concrete, allowing sustainable and cost-effective construction. Architectural freedom with custom shapes and formwork creates open spaces and reduces energy consumption. This sustainable choice optimizes material use, reduces waste, minimizes construction time, and offers efficient solutions. The beige sandstone step treads with risers exude elegance, perfect for a sophisticated walkway. Cladding and bullnosing enhance the aesthetics of these steps, creating a visually appealing and functional feature. To create a paver patio using composite pavers, start by preparing the installation area. Next, lay down AZEK's patented installation grids in a pattern that matches your design. Then, place the composite pavers on the grids, ensuring they overlap the grids for a stable installation. Depending on your pattern and edges, you may need to cut grids or pavers using a jigsaw or miter saw. Finally, sweep and tamp sand into the joints for a lock, low-maintenance, environmentally friendly composite paver patio. Whisker's ladder hoists embody excellence and quality, providing innovative lifting solutions. They are commonly used in construction and renovation projects to transport materials such as bricks, roofing materials, and tools to elevated work areas. They significantly improve efficiency on job sites by reducing manual labor and accelerating the overall construction process. Built with the highest safety standards, they are recognized as reliable and are widely used globally. The innovative turntable design allows for easy access by simply rotating it anti-clockwise, eliminating the need for handles or additional metal, plastic components. Indertech FlexBone 2E saves time and money during ceramic and natural stone installation indoors. It's the only decoupling system that ventilates and isolates without gluing to the substrate. Floating installation works for changing floor coverings and poor adhesion substrates. No cracks, detachment, or warping in the flooring thanks to secure ventilation and decoupling. Ideal for changing floor coverings with 100% decoupling and no substrate damage. The Dragon Saw, the first hydraulic handsaw, cuts up to 50 centimeters deep in concrete, stone, and block. Its patented drive system ensures full blade utilization, providing 3x cutting speed and 5x longer diamond blade life. Experience unparalleled efficiency with the Dragon Saw, offering superior performance compared to other cutters. Available for up to $3,800, the Dragon Saw is a valuable investment and a game-changer in the construction world. The installation process of stone imitation panels involves meticulous planning and precision. Skilled technicians ensure these panels are properly mounted, creating a stunning and durable surface. Stone imitation panels offer a cost-effective way to achieve the look of real stone, enhancing any space. The Z-Weatherm nub system offers quick and easy underfloor heating installation. Pipes easily fit into nub plates, making them suitable for various room sizes and layouts. The system guarantees even heat distribution, creating a cozy environment. You can choose between the efficient, premium, and object versions based on your needs. The premium version allows for rapid one-person installation with large format nub plates. As for the object version, it is cost-effective yet powerful, making it suitable for commercial projects. New Roofing, a licensed and insured South Florida contractor, handles roof repairs and installations with expertise. They specialize in flat roof tile installations using foam, ensuring quality and durability for your roofing needs. The C85 electric track dumper is a zero-emission machine that provides efficient, eco-friendly operation. It offers 3 power modes for versatile performance and quick charging, 2.5 to 5 hours, to suit different job requirements. With hydrostatic transmission and low maintenance, the C85 electric is ideal for tight spaces and long-distance material transport. Rayco specializes in bathroom renovation, turning outdated spaces into modern and functional retreats. The first step is a detailed assessment of the existing bathroom layout and condition. Demolition work involves removing old fixtures, tiles, and any damaged materials. Plumbing and electrical systems are updated to meet modern standards and preferences. Precise measurements and planning ensure the optimal placement of new fixtures and features. High-quality materials and stylish design choices are carefully selected to enhance the bathroom's aesthetics. Skilled craftsmen handle tile installation, creating a durable and visually appealing environment. Installation of new fixtures, like sinks, toilets, and showers, ensures functionality and convenience. Attention to detail is paramount during the finishing touches, including cleaning and ensuring hardware is properly installed. The result is a beautifully renovated bathroom that adds value and comfort to your home. The Velux SSS outdoor roller blind offers heat protection and blackout, enhancing indoor comfort at an attractive price. Solar-powered and easy to install, it reduces solar heat by 93%, providing a restful environment. Durable and quiet, this elegant design fits perfectly, ensuring quality performance with minimal maintenance. This outdoor roller blind transforms your space, combining functionality and aesthetics to create a comfortable ambiance. A flush construction-style shower tray with the floor helps create a sleek and seamless bathroom design. To achieve this, the process involves precise trimming and skillful laying of mosaic tiles for a polished appearance. The installation includes fitting a drain trap that seamlessly integrates with the cladding, ensuring functionality and aesthetics. Additionally, caramogranite scribing is applied, adding a touch of sophistication to the overall design. Careful attention to detail during these steps ensures a beautiful and functional shower area. The result is a stylish and well-executed shower tray that enhances the overall appeal of the bathroom space. The ProBrace offers a quicker, cleaner, and safer method for concrete foundations, reducing labor costs. The sustainable system is adjustable, saving time and minimizing waste, making it better for the environment. The ProBrace ensures precision with built-in levels, leading to a substantial reduction in project time. Improved safety, efficiency, and customer satisfaction make it an ideal choice for foundation work.